Hello, this is Dr. Jason Kennedy. Welcome to the second in this series, Jason's French Fast. If you haven't watched the first lesson, you might want to look for the link down below. With me again are my two French friends Claire and Jacques. Remember, when I ask you to speak in French you must say it out loud. Don't just think it. Let's get started. Now some more classroom expressions. This is how to ask, what does that word mean?
Que veut dire ce mot?
Que veut dire ce mot?
Say, what does that word mean?
Que veut dire ce mot?
Do you remember from lesson 1 how to say, I cannot understand you?
Je ne vous comprends pas.
Say, I cannot understand you. What does that word mean?
Je ne vous comprends pas. Que veut dire ce mot?
Now here is how to say, please.
S'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît.
Say, please.
S'il vous plaît.
Say, sit down, please.
Asseyez-vous. S'il vous plaît.
Here is, tell me your name.
Dites-moi votre nom.
Dites-moi votre nom.
Say, tell me your name, please.
Dites-moi votre nom. S'il vous plaît.
Say, listen to the sentence, please.
Écoutez la phrase. S'il vous plaît.
Here is, the lesson.
La leçon.
La leçon.
Say, the lesson.
La leçon.
Listen. Here is, I don't know the lesson.
Je ne sais pas la leçon.
Je ne sais pas la leçon.
Say, I don't know the lesson.
Je ne sais pas la leçon.
Do you know the lesson? Here is, no, I don't know the lesson.
Non, je ne sais pas la leçon.
Non, je ne sais pas la leçon.
Say, no, I don't know the lesson.
Non, je ne sais pas la leçon.
Say, speak louder, please.
Parlez plus fort. S'il vous plaît.
Here is, open your book, please.
Ouvrez votre livre, s'il vous plaît.
Ouvrez votre livre, s'il vous plaît.
Say, open your book, please.
Ouvrez votre livre, s'il vous plaît.
Say, you were late. Please sit down. Watch the word order.
Vous êtes en retard. Asseyez-vous. S'il vous plaît.
Say, open your book, please.
Ouvrez votre livre, s'il vous plaît.
And finally, say, listen to the sentence.
Écoutez la phrase.
Congratulations! How did it go? Learning a new language is a serious commitment, but it can be fun and rewarding. Don't be afraid to rewind and listen again if you need to. Be sure to click the subscribe link to subscribe to this channel so you can be notified when there are new lessons. Also, check out the links down below for more information and learning tools. See you next time for Lesson 3. Phew. How many takes was that? I hear you back there, Claire. I'm not even going to look. You guys kill me.